Y'all, my name is Dan Casillas, formerly known as Big Mike. I just came back from retirement, so I'm Big Mike now, with a Big Mike, and I have a new style now. So this is my rap tutorial. I hope you like it, y'all. You good? Okay. Okay, so I'm back at my old stomping grounds. This used to be my old studio. This used to be my old computer before I upgraded for the rap tutorial. So, if you don't know me, I am a huge deal around here. So I'm really big around here. And to be honest, I'm doing this rap tutorial because I'm being paid to do it. And yeah, I need money. So without further ado, let's just go to step one. Step one. Writing lyrics. Since this computer does not have WordPad, unfortunately, so let's rely on the good old notes. And of course, you have to use RhymeZone. RhymeZone is important. It's, I think, bigger than a thesaurus. I just come up with the word, like thesaurus. Let's come up with the word thesaurus, so shall we? Okay, let's check for thesaurus. Ooh, Morris. Okay, I got a rhyme. A thesaurus is much more boring than the guy named Morris. Well, no, that's going to offend people named Morris. Let's move on, shall we? Step 2, making a beat. I'm not really good at making beats, so this is a pretty decent version of a beat. Alright, let's check it out. That's a nice little beat. I really like it. Really simple. Not only am I teaching you how to make a beat, I'm being paid extra to make a beat.
Dude, you're not getting paid for this.
But I thought I was getting compensated.
No, I never said you were going to get compensated.
I see. What do you mean I'm not getting compensated? Huh? You know how much money I have in debt? I have student loans. Please! I need to get compensated!
I got $3.
Oh. Okay, cool, thank you. So I'm being paid finally. So, without further ado, let's start the music video. Yeah. I got no money, I'm so broke. Economy got me in a chokehold. I just want money to drive a sports car. Yeah, I want to drive a Porsche on the city block. Yeah, I'm so broke, I got no truck. Yeah. Only vehicle forward is a Tonka truck. Tonka, ay, I'm a broke boy, yeah, I'm so broke, got no employment, I don't wanna end up broke, yeah, I'm not hyped, student loans got me wiped, had to pay it on my phone, down the zone, gonna end up in debt till I'm bones, yeah, debt till I'm bones, kinda sad, ay, I'm a broke boy, yeah, I'm so broke, got no employment, I don't wanna end up broke, yeah, I'm a broke boy, yeah, I'm so broke, got no employment, I don't wanna end up broke, yeah. So I'm behind this purple wall because why not? So after this video is over, which is almost over, I'm going back to retirement, so yeah, hope you liked the rap tutorial. See ya.